Hello, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching, I'm Cheraye. Welcome. If you are returning, thank you so much and welcome back. Here on this channel, I do cover fashion, beauty, luxury, and lifestyle, and all things fabulous, that being fragrance. Of course, today I'm going to be unboxing with you a favorite that I'm adding to my Chanel collection. I am so excited, you guys. I have been wanting this fragrance forever, but if you know anything about Chanel, it's a process because I'm trying to collect about, I don't know how many of them, but a lot of them, probably about 12 to be exact, total fragrances that I want to have in my collection. So today I'm going to be unboxing one. So if you want to see what they are, continue to watch. Without further ado, let's get started. Oh, I don't know. It's just looking at myself differently with these curls. You know, curls do a little something different than straight hair, but I'm here for it. My hair is dirty and this is what we're doing. Okay, I move on. Anyways, you guys, standard Chanel packaging, thumbnail time. Hello. Got it. Anyways, so here is what I got. I was super excited. I was visiting the mall. You know, I have a story time. I was visiting the mall. Was it the mall? It's the South Coast Plaza. It's one of them. It's the mall. And they still have the holiday packaging. This was a while ago. I'm just now getting around to unboxing this. This shirt, you've seen it before. I wore it in a vlog, you guys. I picked it up at Zara. I absolutely love it. It has a houndstooth print on it. I love it, love it. If I can find it, I will leave it in the description box below along with the link. So here's what I got. Standard Chanel packaging. I didn't order this from Chanel Beauty online. I actually picked it up in store. I was perusing through the mall, perusing through Chanel, and so I was just looking to see what they had, what was available, what was exciting, what was interesting, what piqued my interest. I was actually looking for a Chanel scarf, but you know, I didn't find the one that I was looking for, so I perused over to the fragrance department. You know, I was going over there anyway, and I looked up and seen that they had this, and I was like, OMG, I have been wanting that. So if you look at this, you can also order this here on Chanel Beauty online. I did check there to see if it was still there, still available. This would also make for an amazing Valentine's gift, Valentine's Day gift. You know, Valentine is my favorite holiday in the entire world. Girl, did you say holiday? Yes, I did. I think it would be a great Valentine's Day gift, you guys, if you are looking for something special, or if you are looking for someone to give them something special. This would be a great way to go. This is what the set looks like here. OMG, I cannot wait to put this on my Chanel vanity. I have a whole area in the closet dedicated for Chanel, so this is gonna look so pretty there. This, what I have here, is the body croupes, and it is more like a body cream luxurious croffette. A croffette is because it's in this little croffette thing, like almost like a little, you know, coughed. So it's like a coffette. And then this fragrance is from the Les Exclusive line. This is the 75 mil, and this is Gardenia. I wanted to add this to my collection so bad. I have so many of the other ones, and this one was missing. There's actually a few missing, you guys. I still want to get Commando, Route 31, Caban, Boy, because now I love Boy, thanks to some of you who mentioned Boy, and I think Jersey, and I think I'll be good. So about 4 more that I still have, but this is the one I picked up here. And I absolutely love it. We'll get into the notes and break it down on how it smells and everything, but what I wanted to take 2.5 seconds and tell you, a lot of you are always asking me, what do I layer my fragrances with? This is an amazing thing to layer your fragrance with. I mean, it doesn't have to be Chanel, you know, it could be any, you know, body croupes or body cream or something just a little bit more heavier, especially with it being the colder months. You can get something a little bit more heavier, something like a, what is it called? Like a body butter or a shea butter, a heavy body cream, but it can't be heavily scented or else the scents might clash. However, with this one here, this is the Cream Croupes Fresh Body Cream. You guys, this smells so good. So it comes off like that, and it looks like that just sitting on your dresser or wherever you choose to sit it at. How you would use this is getting out of the shower, out of your bath, whatever you're getting out of, you would just take a little bit and you would go ahead, I'm just gonna put some on, just a tad bit. I can probably use the moisture anyway. You would just dab this on you like this. It's very creamy, it's very luxurious, it's very soft, it's very like velvet-like, you know what I mean? It's like velvet. It's like just pure, soft, moisturizing, luxurious. And the smell that it has to it is clean. It's fresh. I don't know why it smells kind of citrusy a little bit, but it blends really well with all of the fragrances from the Les Exclusive line. So probably any of them, but when I was purchasing it, the lady and I were talking, and she was saying how wonderful that particular body croupes body cream pairs with the Les Exclusive lines of fragrances, because all of the notes just blend very well together. It's really good. I'm trying to think of what it smells like. I have myself some notes here. It's citrus, it's floral, musk accord to it. It's a very very creamy, velvety type texture, just very soft. I mean, I love lotion that makes you supple, that makes you soft, that you can get and see it right away, how it just moisturizes the skin and it goes deep into the skin. You know how sometimes you have a lotion or a greasy lotion and it'll sit on top of the skin and it doesn't feel very hydrating or moisturizing or anything like that? This one is not like that. It goes right into the skin. You can see the moisture. You can see that it's not greasy, but it adds a little bit of a shine. And so what you would do after that is you would go ahead and take your lotion, you take your fragrance, and then you would just go ahead and spray Chanel. Oh my gosh. Guys, this brings back childhood memories of playing outside and smelling those flowers that were gardenia that I had no idea what they were and why bees were all around them, but it was so sweet and so good. It just brings back happy times. Chanel Beige is my absolute favorite, okay, from the Les Exclusive line at the current moment, but oh my God, this might do something. I don't know if you've ever smelt it. If you've ever smelt it, leave it in the comment section below how you smelt it and what your thoughts are on it. Let me give you some of the notes here. It has a little bit of patchouli, vetiver, orange blossom. This is not the EDT. This is the ED perfume. Like I said, this is 75 ml. This is really good. I smell a lot of white floral. It's sweet. You smell a little bit of tuberose. I don't know if that's tuberose, orange blossom a little bit. It's just really good. To me, this is an anytime, anywhere, any day type of fragrance. Like you can wear this anywhere and you would be okay. You can wear this to brunch. You could wear this to the office. You can wear this on a night out, a first date night. It's not sexy. Like I said, it's fun, it's airy, and when I say fun, I just mean for me it's fun because it takes me back to my childhood memories. Like I said, being outside and always seeing the bees around the flowers that were white and probably gardenias. I don't know what they were at that time. I was a kid, so probably didn't really know, but I was just looking like, gosh, it smells so good over here. And when I smell this, it just takes me back there. I had a need for this in my collection because I did want some. I didn't have a need, you guys. I'm just always say that, makes me feel better. I had a want for this in my collection because I just always like the way it smells. I think this would be a beautiful scent for a wedding day. If you were getting married, I think, like I said, this can be your everyday scent. This could be someone's signature scent very easily. I can see that. This can go from day to night. The longevity is there. I do think that layering it with the lotion and, you know, hydrating the skin and everything like that is going to help the longevity. I don't get a long longevity out of this, but I definitely think anywhere from 3 to 4 hours you'll be okay. Before I got this, I actually had samples. I have samples of all the ones that I'm sampling, testing out, seeing if I really want to buy them. So when I seen this and I seen the deal together, I just thought fabulous. I think I have a friend on here, I believe Pam from Pam's Home Decor. I believe she got the body crops and she spoke about it, and I was like, oh my gosh, I have to have that. So when I seen the two come together, I definitely thought it was definitely a good deal and I wanted to get them both, so that's what I did. And just having it with the body cream, being able to layer the two is going to make your fragrance perform that much better. So it doesn't have to be, like I said, this cream, but you just want to get something that meshes well with the scent. I typically go for something that has no scent to it or a very light scent, something like a vanilla or something citrusy, something that has some of the same notes that your actual fragrance has in it as well, so that, you know, they aren't fighting for attention, but they're marrying well together. Moving on, another thing that I can say about this, you guys, it's just really good. So like I said, if you are interested in looking for something for Valentine's Day, check out Chanel Beauty online. Actually, if you have a Chanel Beauty boutique near you, step in there, or any of the other ones that carry the Les Exclusive line if you're interested in this, and just see if they have the actual set. I think it's always better to buy in a set. Sometimes you get a really good deal, and then sometimes this time of year they are having some type of sale, some type of discounts. If you're following me on Instagram, I will definitely be alerting you guys and letting you know. I'll share everything that I find out over there, but I just wanted to pop on and share this, that I did add this to my collection and I was super excited to get it. If you were able to watch any of the Vlogmas, then you also know that I did pick up, and I told you guys I would come back and share this with you. This is another one from the Les Exclusive line too that I will now be adding. That is this one here. I was super excited to get this and add this into my collection as well, and that is none other than Sycamore. And it's so funny because they both are like outdoorsy fragrances, and I just mean because this one's more like a flower. It's sweet, it's really floral, some musk, you know, like I said, it's just more of a you know, a happy fragrance, something that, you know, just brings back great memories for me. Like I said, where I think it could be worn, you already know that. But this one here is another outdoor, very green, earthy, woody. I have nothing in my collection like this. And when I smelled it, some would say, why would you want that? Why would you want to smell like outside or a tree, like a pine tree? You guys, I don't know. It smells, if I were to describe this, it smells like crisp $100 bills. You know how you go to the, I don't know why I was ready to call it the versatile machine. I don't know what it's called. The ATM. You know how you go to the ATM? That's right, not the versatile machine. That's so old. Anyways, you go to the ATM machine and let's just say you were bringing money out and you clicked it and they gave you all crisp $100 bills. You know how you get it and you smell it? I picture that money smelling like this. It just smells good. It smells classy. It's sophisticated to me. It's really good in like cold weather. I mean, I guess it could be worn wherever. I would find this to be a little too sticky in the summer, but definitely spring, winter, and fall. I think this would definitely be appropriate, especially the beginning of spring. You know, right when it's done with the rain, you see all the pine trees, you see, you know, the fresh woods. If you live near the woods or you go to the mountains, it's one of those. It's very earthy. It's like a green herbal tea that you would get at Starbucks if you allow me to go there. So would I wear this on a date? No. Not necessarily. I would wear this shopping. I would wear this if you were maybe taking your aunt, your mom, your friend, somebody out for the weekend and you were gonna go for like high tea or something like that. It would be appropriate. If you were gonna go like shopping, apple picking, somewhere you would wear outdoors, somewhere that you would just go, would I wear this to the movies? No. Would I wear this to the grocery store? Yes. To get a facial, to a day spa. After you left the day spa, you were gonna go for tea, you were gonna go for lunch. It would be appropriate for there. But like I said, I don't put this in my sexy date night category, no. So that is that on that. I've added 2 more to my collection. I got about 4 more to get, and by the time it's all said and done, I probably would have added about 4 more, so it's really 8. So I'm just gonna say 8 now, because it'll probably end up being that way. The more I smell, the more I want. My list just keeps growing and growing and growing. I will leave all of the information in the description box below. If you have not hit the subscribe button and you love fragrance, fashion, beauty, luxury, lifestyle, consider hitting the subscribe button. Until next time, you know the drill. Be blessed, stay fit, and definitely stay fabulous. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.